Creating a video tutorial on how to convert text into speech.
Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video we will learn how to convert text into speech on Capcut, totally free. I'll show you step by step in just a minute. Before we start video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, then click on the ring bell button so you don't miss any video from my channel. Now let's start. As you can see, I have a Capcut open already. That's a free video editing software. If you have not Capcut download and install yet, then I have a link in description. You can just click on the link, simply download and install, totally free. There's a lot of features. So now I have a Capcut open. First you have to add your media clip you're going to work on here. Just simply click on import, you will get here. From here we're gonna drag and drop here. I have a small picture already and I have extended to 27 seconds. Now we need our text. You can use any AI website, ChatGPT or anything to just create your script for your video, and you don't have to do nothing. Just either one thing you have to do, you have to have your video first, then you can write a script, or you can just write script first, text to speech, then you can have a clips add accordingly. I show you what I mean to. Now like say I have this photo, it doesn't matter for me gonna match any clip or not. We need a text. I'm gonna simply click on text. There's only one option for default text. We're gonna use the default text. I'm gonna click text a little bit longer. So here I have a small script already, just a test script. I'm gonna say paste here. So you can create according to your video, what kind of video you have it. That's we have it already. If you need your text to see here, we can do customize. I also have another video how you can customize your caption, but in this video I don't want to show any caption. I will remove here. I will show you one trick how you can do customize your handwritten script if you have like me. As you can see, I have a no script here. So now we're gonna click here on the text. On the top you will see text to speech. I'm gonna click on text to speech. Here there is a lot of options. You can choose any. I'm gonna give you one sample. It's called Jesse. You can click here.
Creating a video tutorial on how to convert text into speech can be a bit more involved and may require video edit.
Okay, we're gonna use
Creating a video tutorial on how to convert text into speech can be a bit more involved and may require video editing software.
Creating a video tutorial how to
Creating a video tutorial on how to convert.
Creating a video tutorial. Creating a video tutorial on how.
Creating a video tutorial how to convert text into speech.
So I have used the British mail, so that's the audio. You can change now, you can move around. So that's the way you can do from text to speech. There's a lot of free options. You can choose any. So I'm going to show you one more trick for the caption, which one is really simple, but you have to work a little bit. So now I'm going to clip my video from here. Let me show you the video sample, how it's going to look like after we have a text to speech. You don't have to say nothing. You can just space out the gap or the way you want to. You can just curry and give some gap, but now I'm gonna leave it like that just for sample.
Creating a video tutorial on how to convert text into speech can be a bit more involved and may require video editing software. Creating a video
that's the final. So now I'm gonna show you the trick. If you just want to learn text to speech, you already done. You can stop my video, but next portion I'm going to show you how you can use auto caption to make your text more stand out. I'm going to export. You can do anywhere. I'm going to put it on my desktop. You have to save your video first. Open.
Creating a video tutorial on how to convert text into speech.
Okay, now we're gonna go back, file, new project. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. You can open new project, import the video we have saved already. I have on the desktop. We're gonna drag and drop back again. I'm gonna show you that's the video we have just created.
Creating a video tutorial.
Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on text again. I'm gonna click on auto caption. Create. You're gonna create auto caption for us. Now we can customize in bulk, but the way we have a write down earlier, you have no option for the caption, but in my case I have a option for the caption. I'm gonna click here. You can do the scale. You can change now a couple things. You're gonna do this one. Now I will click on caption. You can just start simply editing. So UIC letter by letter. Okay, now we have done customized our caption already. I showed you the result.
Creating a video tutorial on how to convert text into speech can be a bit more involved and may require video editing software.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.